Hello friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back to this GenAI learning video series. In the previous video, we explored how to build GenAI chatbot, that's a mini chat GPT. We also explored virtual environment, like how to create a virtual environment for your project, how to activate that, how to you know work with that. Okay. Now in this video, I'll show you how to build a use case, GenAI use case for Resume Analyzer. Okay, this is not simple. Here we will work with the PDF file. Means we'll have a file uploader where we'll upload a PDF file to the you know to our user interface that we are going to create using a Streamlit, and from that PDF I'll show you how to write a code to extract the data from that PDF file, from those resume PDF file, and then that text will be sent along with our prompt to the OpenAI server, and then we'll get the response from there. So using that GenAI Resume Analyzer, you'll get the improvements, like weak areas, the missing skills, and improvement suggestions that you will get for your resume that you are going to upload. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to work with the PDF file, how to create a GenAI use case, to work with the PDF file to extract the data from there and get the AI feedback for your resume. Okay, so first we'll create a new file and we'll give a name GenAI underscore resume analyzer dot PDF. Got it? Here we'll start writing the code. Sorry, not PDF. I'll rename this. I'll say dot py, means the Python file. Let's start writing the code one by one. So the first, we are going to use Streamlit so that we can design a UI. Got it? So I'll say import Streamlit as st. Okay. Now here for Streamlit we are not getting error because I have already created use cases with the multiple use cases with the use of Streamlit. So I have already installed Streamlit with the use of the command pip install Streamlit in my virtual environment. Okay, so that's why I'm not getting error. I need to first give a title, that is st dot title. What is that? That is GenAI Resume Analyzer. Space. I'll add here one emoji. So from my keyboard, I'll press Windows dot. Then from the search, I'll type here page, and then I'll take the first one. This is the emoji. Got it? After that, I need to add here one tool which will allow you to upload the resume from your system. Okay, from your local folder. So I'll type here st dot file uploader. Got it? So file uploader is used to upload the file in the double quotes. So I need to write here the label. You see, label as str. So I'll type here upload your resume PDF file dot dot. Now comma will be type of file that you are going to upload. So that is either str or list of string, like that. So first I'm going to work with only PDF file. Okay. After that, whatever file that I'll upload here, that I want to store in a variable so that I can use it further. Okay. So using this file uploader, whatever file I'll upload, I'll get the file name, the complete file path, that I'll store here in a one variable, that is uploaded underscore file equals to space. Okay. After that, I'll take one button so that we can click on this button, send the request to the OpenAI server. Got it? First, I'm going to design just a simple UI. Okay, so I'll write here st dot button. So you can imagine how this will look like. I'll show you at the end. In the double quotes, I'll say analyze resume. Here I'll say upload your resume PDF file and get AI feedback. Got it? This looks fine. Now I'll take here if a statement which will say if the button is clicked like this way, then it's true. Now after that, what I'll do, I need to extract the text from the PDF file. Got it? Before that, what I'll do, from the file upload, if something uploaded already, then it will send the request. Else it will say that there is a warning message. It will say please upload a PDF file or your resume. So I'll say if this variable has something, so I'll say if this one colon, if it has something, then only will go and extract the data, else will not extract. So in the else part, I'll take here one else, and then I'll take here one warning message, st.warning. In the double quotes, I'll say please upload your or resume PDF. Got it? Here we are getting warning. That's okay. That will be gone in some time once I'll write some code here. Currently it's thinking like this is a part of this if statement. Okay, but I don't want to write here if else, because what will happen, even if you are not clicking on this button, it will always show that whatever code that you will write here, always that will perform. So I don't want to do that. So there's no need to add here else part. Now in this one, if you already have a file uploaded to this variable, this one using this file uploader, then I want to extract, I want to open that PDF file, I want to read that PDF file, I want to extract the text from that PDF file, and for that I need to use one library, one package from the Python library. Now what is that library? That is pypdf, pypdf. Got it? Let's see the documentation. See, this is pypdf 6.12.1. This is the command to install that pypdf library. This is a pure Python PDF library capable of splitting, merging, cropping, and transforming the PDF files. Not only the splitting, merging, cropping, and transforming, it is also capable of retrieving the text and metadata from PDFs as well. Now, how to use that? First, you need to install that package. So let's install it. Copy this, go to this terminal, and here this is, see, this is VNV. So we are going to use the virtual environment. Now I'll paste that and click enter. Now let's see if it's installed or not. Okay, so this is not installed already. So this is installed here. 6.12.1. Got it? So we have already installed it. Now we are ready to use. So how to use that? Let's see from the documentation. After installation, we need to use this one, this code. Copy and paste. So I'll copy this, and so only this part is required. I'll cut it from here. So what will write here? From pypdf import PdfReader. From pypdf, what we are going to import from pypdf, that is PdfReader. So we are going to use the PdfReader to read the data from there. You see, a file object or an object that supports the standard read and seek methods similar to the file object. Correct? So now this we are going to just import first. Now in between this, I'll paste this. This looks like for a single page where it is taking only pages of 0. Now what if you have multiple pages, like 2 pages, 3 pages in your resume, then this code will not work. So we have to modify it. Okay, so the first, we need to read that file which uploaded to this using this st file uploader, this file uploader. So I have this variable which has the file name from this one. So once we'll upload the file using this file uploader, we'll get that file name and the details. So we'll copy this variable, and instead of putting the file name, I'll just replace this with a variable. Got it? Now we can take it reader, or I say pdf underscore reader. Let's replace all these things first. Pdf underscore reader, and now we'll modify one by one. Let's understand. Now here is going to get the length of the pdf, that pages, and then going to extract only the first page. Now I don't want to go that way. I'll loop through each pages. So I already have the details, pdf reader. So this variable will open the pdf file, get the details, like read that pdf file. It will have the pages count. Now here I'll write here for loop for each pages, like that, for each pages from that pdf pages count. So for page in pdf reader means this variable dot pages colon, for each pages I'm going to take from this pages. Now I'll extract that. So here you see page dot extract text. I'll take the same code. So the text equal to page dot extract text. Got it? But I'll change the name. That will be resume underscore text. Now what will happen? First page, this data will be extracted from this page. It will store to this resume text. But second time again that will be overwritten, right? What I'll do? I'll take here again resume text plus this one. Now what will happen? First time it has no data. How we say there's no data? Because I'll copy, paste, and take in a slide with the blank. So first the variable has no value, empty data. Now this time we have some this time blank plus whatever data extracted from the pages, the first page, that will be stored into this variable. Second time again it will extract from here, and then whatever data it has, that will be appended with the current pages of data, and then again we'll have this one. Correct? Now we have this resume text. It has all the text extracted from the resume. Now you see, using this pdf reader, using this pypdf, we are able to extract the pages from the pdf file. Got it? You learned how to work with the pdf file and how to upload the pdf file. Now I'll build one prompt so that we can send it to the OpenAI server. For that, I'll take here one prompt variable equals to, in the double quotes I'll say analyze the following resume and suggest what? I'll do one thing and suggest what? Suggest the follow weak areas and missing skills, improvement suggestion. Okay, so this is the prompt. Analyze the following resume and suggest this for which? For resume text. What? For this resume text. So now I'll add here the resume text that I have underscore text, means this one. This resume text will have complete resume data. Okay, now currently we are getting error because these text are in a multiple line. If you'll take everything in the first line, that there will be no error. But I'll go with this way. I want to format this way. So to format this string, I'll put here f, then I'll put here triple quotes, not double, triple quotes, and close with the triple quotes this way. Save it. So this will be passed to this along with this complete prompt. I have this prompt that I'll pass. Now let's write here command to send the completion. For that, first I'll import from OpenAI, import OpenAI. Got it? And these packages are already installed in my virtual environment. Got it? So I'm going to use OpenAI, pypdf, Streamlit. Now after that, one more thing you remember, we'll take here one client equals to OpenAI open close bracket, right? Because now, because we have stored the API key in our environment variable, sorry, in our environment system here. So using this, we can get that API key, because without API key, your OpenAI server will not able to entertain your request. Now here, I'll write that responses. I'll first store that in the response, or let me put it like this way: tab response, or like responses equal to client dot responses. I'll make it only response, or like output client dot responses dot create open close bracket. Here first I want to get the model equals to double quotes. I'll take here GPT 4o mini, comma. Now we'll send our input, the prompt. So here I'll say prompt. My variable which is prompt. This is my variable. Okay. So this one I'm going to send here. Got it? Now one thing, once I'll get the response, I want to extract it. So I'll put here uh, output equals to response dot output underscore text. So this is my variable, or like we can say AI suggestion, AI output. So I'll say AI output. Now what I'll do, I'll write this using st.write. But for that, before I'll say st.success resume analysis completed. Okay. Then here I'll say st dot write open close bracket, and I'll take AI dot output, AI underscore output. So whatever output that I received from the OpenAI server, that I'll write here using st dot write. Now one more thing that you remember, like in the previous use cases, we have already used spinning. So we'll take spinner. When will be using that? We'll be using just before um, this one. Okay. So once I'll hit submit, I take this from here. So with st dot spinner open close bracket, um, we can try two things. First, we say spinner for text extracted from PDF. Second, we can take for analyze the resume. Correct? So we say with extracting text from PDF colon, and these I'll put here inside that. Oh, sorry, this way, this one. Now we'll take other with again st dot spinner open close bracket. I'll say uh, analyzing analyzing resume. Now I'll put everything inside this prompt. It looks good, right? Let's run this, and if any changes required, we'll modify that. So for that, I need to write here Streamlit space run and the file name. So we have GenAI underscore resume analyzer dot py. Hit enter. I'll close this one. Now you see, this is the title. This is the file uploader. This is the label for this file uploader, which says that upload your resume PDF file and get AI feedback. Now, if we'll click on this analyze resume, what will happen? It will say that please upload resume PDF, right? That's the validation. Good thing to add here. Now I'll click on upload. Take this PDF file, click open. Okay. Now it has something, so that error is gone. I'll click on analyze resume. So what will happen? First, it will say, okay, I think that part is already done. That's why we didn't get that spinner. So now it's going to analyze the resume. And now it says that resume analysis completed. And here are the details: weak areas, missing skills, improvement suggestions. And you can update your resume with that, and you can upload it again here to this one and get the suggestion based on that. Okay. So this worked fine. You learned one more use cases, and you learned many things like how to work with the PDF, how to extract the data from PDF, how to send the response, our request to the OpenAI server and get the AI feedback for your resume. So this was GenAI Resume Analyzer use case. I hope you learned something from this video. If so, please like this video and please subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed yet, and please do comment on this video. Share with your friends if they are also planning to learn GenAI using Python. Thank you so much for watching this video.